The multiple choice questions of chapter 8 quadrilateral class 9th mathematics और मैं BL Sharma maths question number 1 to question number 15 see in my previous video C, and the question number 16 is on your screen. ABCD is a parallelogram C figure and the value determine the value of x plus y plus z. इस फिगर से आपको बताना है x plus y plus z का सम कितना होगा. Say sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So this angle is 30. This is this. So the x plus y will be 150 degree. So x plus y is equal to 150 degree. We know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. So AD is parallel to BC and this is transversal. So angle Z will be equal to 30 degree, alternate interior angles. So in place of angle Z, you put 30. So now x plus y plus z is equal to 150 plus 30, that is 180 degree. So A is correct option. Though you already have seen the answer, but now it is given that find the value of x in that trapezium ABCD given below. It is given that here you will see that DC is parallel to AB. So DC is parallel to AB. So angle A and angle D, their sum will be 180 degree because these are co-interior angles. So x minus 20 plus x plus 40, that is 180 degree. So twice of x plus 20, that is 180. So twice of x is equal to 160, x is equal to 80. So A is correct option. Question number 18, the sum of two consecutive interior angles of a parallelogram is what? 180, 120, 360 degree or 90 degree. We see, let ABCD is a parallelogram, means opposite sides are parallel. We know that angle A plus angle B is 180 degree, co-interior angles. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree co-interior angle. Angle C plus angle D is also 180 degree, and angle A plus angle D is also 180 degree. So the two consecutive integrals, their sum will be 180 degree. So A is correct option. If two consecutive interior angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 2:3, then the measures of the angles are same. Here say, let this angle is 2x degree, this is 3x degree. Their sum is 180 degree. The reason is the sum of two consecutive interior angles of a parallelogram is 180 degree. So 2x plus 3x, 5x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 upon 5, that is 36 degree. This angle will be 36 into 2, that is 70 degree. This angle is 3 into 36, that is 108 degree. So we can say that A is correct option. Which of the following properties is the property of a trapezium? A pair of opposite sides is parallel. Very much correct. In trapezium में एक जो opposite sides का pair होता है वो parallel hota. That is correct. The diagonals bisect each other. No, diagonals bisect each other in a parallelogram. So this is not correct. The diagonals are perpendicular to each other. No, diagonals are perpendicular to each other in square and rhombus. So this is not correct. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal in square and rectangle. So this is not correct. So A is correct option. In the figure best, BEST, it is a rhombus, means BEST is a rhombus, and then what is the value of y minus x, means this angle and this angle. We know diagonals of a rhombus bisect at 90 degree. So this angle y will be 90 degree. So y is 90 degree. This angle is 40 degree, opposite sides are parallel. So angle S will be 40 degree. Alternate angles. Now we know x plus 40, that is y, because this is exterior angle property of a triangle. X plus 40 is equal to y. So x plus 40 is equal to y 90. So x is equal to 90 minus 40, that is 50. So B is correct option. Sorry. We need to find y minus x. So y minus x is equal to y is 90, x is 50, so that is 40 degree. So A is correct option. D and E are the midpoints of side AB, and AC of an equilateral triangle ABC, and perimeter of the triangle is 30 centimeter. What is length of DE? We know this is an equilateral triangle, means all sides are equal, and sum of all these three sides is 36 centimeter. So one side BC will be 12 centimeter. And we also know by midpoint theorem that line segment joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel and half of the third side. So DE will be half of BC. If BC is 12 centimeter, so DE will be 6 centimeter. So B is correct option. Diagonals are equal in parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, or trapezium. We know diagonals are equal in rectangle and square. Square is not here. So a rectangle is correct answer. It is a parallelogram, and what is the value of x plus y? We know opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, so 6y is equal to 120 degree. 6y is 120 degrees, so y is 120 by 6, that is 20. Again, we know that the sum of two consecutive interior angles of a parallelogram, their sum is 180 degree. So 120 plus 5 plus x is equal to 180. So is equal to 180. So 5x is equal to 50. X is equal to 50 by 5, that is 10. Now x plus y means x is 10 and y is 20. So x plus y is equal to 10 plus 20, that is 30. So C is correct answer. D and E are midpoints of side AB and AC of an escalent triangle ABC, and BC is 40 centimeter. Length of DE will be, say this is A, B, and C. Midpoints are D and E. BC is 40 centimeter. So by midpoint theorem, DE will be half of BC, that is 20 centimeter. So C is the correct option. So that's all. And say, thank you.